In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block ads on Facebook. Full Guide 2026. If you're tired of seeing sponsored posts all over your Facebook feed, the first thing to know is that Facebook does not offer a built-in option to completely turn off every ad. However, you can still reduce them significantly and, in many cases, remove most of them from view depending on how you access Facebook. Start by going to Facebook in your browser. This is important because the most effective ad blocking method works on desktop browsers, not inside the official Facebook mobile app. One of the best ways to block Facebook ads is by using an ad blocker extension. Ad blockers are small browser tools that prevent ads from loading in the first place, which means they can clean up your feed and make the experience much less distracting. To do this, open your browser's extension store. If you use Chrome, that would be the Chrome Web Store. If you use Firefox, go to the Firefox add-ons page. From there, search for a trusted ad blocker such as uBlock Origin, Total Adblock, or AdGuard. Choose one that has strong reviews and a good reputation, then install it like any other browser extension. Once the extension is installed, make sure it is turned on. Most ad blockers activate automatically, but it's always a good idea to check the extension icon in your browser toolbar just to confirm it's enabled. After that, go back to Facebook and refresh the page. In many cases, you'll notice that most sponsored content and promotional placements disappear from your feed. Now, there is one important limitation to keep in mind. Ad blockers generally do not work inside the official Facebook app on mobile devices. So if you mainly use Facebook on your phone or tablet, installing a browser-based ad blocker alone may not help if you continue using the app. Instead, for mobile browsing, log into Facebook through a privacy-focused web browser such as Brave or Firefox. These browsers often include built-in content, blocking, or support stronger privacy tools, which can help reduce the number of ads you see while browsing Facebook on mobile. The key is that you need to use Facebook through the browser, not through the app, for that blocking to take effect. So to recap, go to Facebook in a browser, install a trusted ad blocker extension on desktop, enable it, and refresh the page. If you're on mobile, switch from the Facebook app to a browser like Brave or Firefox for better ad blocking. It's a simple setup, and it can make Facebook feel much cleaner and easier to use.